All right, now this is your textbook 19, chapter 19D, question 3, right? A model globe of radius 50 centimeters rests in a circular hole of diameter 45 centimeters cut in a horizontal board. So you have a horizontal board like this, and there's a hole, and you put a ball in it like this. So it will go inside, but not fully, partially. So I'll just wrap up some of this. So the diagram is very important in this case. Okay. So, and I'll label some of the information given. So this is the center of the globe, right? And they say this is A and this is B. Okay. And so they're asking a model of 50, radius is 50, rest in a circular hole of diameter 45. So the diameter here is 45, right? Hole, find the shortest distance. So if I draw two lines from here to here, so this is the radius of the globe, 50. This is not too like measurement, so I just drew this. So 50 centimeters, and then it's asking find the shortest distance from A to B along the surface of the sphere. So the shortest distance is from here to here, okay, along the sphere. The longest distance is from here to here. All right, so remember those, right? So in order to find this, you've learned something called arc length. Okay, so first of all, in order to find the arc length, you need to figure out the angle here, the theta. Okay, so there are many ways that you can find this theta. If you just consider, and I'm going to label this center as O. Okay, if you consider the triangle AOB, draw it properly. Okay, so the triangle AOB, you know the length. Since this is the radius of the globe, you saw this is the radius from here to here, that is the radius. So this is 50, and so these two are the radius of the globe. So this is 50, and this is 45, that is the diameter of that hole cut into, like it's a hole cut. So this is the diameter of that. If I draw the board like this, so there's a hole and the ball is put into this, so the diameter of this is 45, right? So this is A and B. Okay, 45. So what we can do in order to find this angle theta, you can use cosine rule. So how do you use the cosine rule here? Why do you want to find theta? Because we want to use the arc length. For S, arc length is theta over 360 times 2 pi r, right? So to do that, you can use the cosine rule to find the theta value. So 45 squared is equal to 50 squared plus 50 squared. We are using this triangle AOB triangle, right? Take away 2 times 50 times 50 times cos theta, right? So use the CAS calculator. Um, and write. So I'm going, remember your mode should be degrees, and solve within brackets 45 squared is equal to 50 squared plus 50 squared, take away 2 times 50 times 50 times cos within brackets theta, and you are going to solve for theta, right? Theta, and press Control Enter, you will get 53.48. I put 49. I'll round it to the nearest to 53.49 degrees, right? So now you found theta. Now you can use, in order to find the arc length, what you can do, S is equal to, now theta is 53.49 over 360 times 2 pi, r is 50 because that's the radius of this globe. Okay, so use this, put this in your CAS and find S. S is equal to say 53.49 over 360 times 2 times pi times 50. Press Control Enter. So it is 46.68. So the decimal places, so S is equal to 46.68 centimeters, right? So that is the answer for chapter 19D, question 3. So what is the AB along the surface shape is 46.9, 46 point what? 68 centimeters.